This is my only warning. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, the tree fell down and crushed the car.
Some men clearly can't take down a giant right in front of their house, and that's the punch that can't be expected. Where are we going? You okay? They're pulling. Let's hope for the best, otherwise my fence is going to fall down.
Lucky for the tree cutter, the house is still standing.
It is the force of nature that he cannot control. That's not good. The positive is they won't have to go far to get it to the crusher. Oh, everything is perfect except the house right. These guys can't guess the direction the tree falls. Everything has to pay.
Experiences are an important reminder of the need to be careful in our work. Good luck. Let's get started. Oh, that was a technical error. Now it will cost a lot of money to fix the new house. Warning, this is the nature of forestry work. A combination of skill and luck, and safety is essential and very important. The tree has been rotten for a long time. When cutting the tree, the worker needs to pay attention to safety. He was a lucky man who reflexively ran very fast. I can't believe with such a narrow angle, he managed to get the tree to fall in the right direction without touching the house. The storm passed, and the tree by the road was uprooted and hit the car.
It's truly a majestic and dangerous scene. You can't take your eyes off it.
This tree has rotted all over the bark. He must be careful when handling a rotten tree, so stay away from it. The bark has been eaten away by insects on the outside, requiring a professional to handle it. Why did he have to run the house? It was supposed to be peaceful. Start the video with a friendly greeting with some goofy, funny people. A tree falls on the house. Cutting down mature trees in residential areas is a risky business. Miscalculation of weight and trajectory proved to be a mistake, and fortunately no one was injured. Put a heavy log through a house, a small slide, and it will be a patterned rug for every home.
Handling large trees near your home. always comes with significant risks. Carefully assess whether you have the skills and expertise to handle this task, otherwise you could face costly damage. Any wrong move could have serious consequences. Doing this job requires professionalism and absolute precision in assessing the height of the tree, the diameter of the trunk, the natural inclination, and most importantly, the safety distance. Going against the crowd to stand out, the tree seemed to understand the same. His miscalculation resulted in the tree falling down and hitting the house. This tree was signaling, get out of there, go. Their nature really knows how to annoy you. He was lucky to realize it early. Oh, he really disregards his life. Luckily, the tree didn't choose your house.
Look at him, facing a giant tree. How long do you think it will take him to conquer that tree? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to fuel our creative fire. Seriously, no way in hell would I hire these guys to cut down a tree.
I swear this guy must have skipped training. Inexperience is what he pays for. It's going to cost him some money to fix the house up. Damn, that was the sound of a giant in the deep forest. The tree was knocked down. The sound of the tree falling sounded like thunder, so pleasing to the ears.
This scene looks both impressive and a little thrilling. Cutting down a tree this big near beautiful houses requires serious skill and precision. Hope everything goes well. The drama is not next. You can guess if this guy makes a mistake, not entirely accurate. One beautiful moment we have collected dedicated to this powerful and dangerous work. Oh, even the most experienced professionals face challenges. It is important that they always follow safety rules.
Here it goes, and it's going the wrong way. Oh my god. The tree fell and hit the house.
This is why it is important to remove rotten trees in the forest, as they are silent traps ready to collapse without warning. Oh my god, it requires a professional level worker in handling this tree and should be kept away to ensure safety while working. I have always admired the skill and strength it takes to be a lumberjack, but it is incredibly difficult and dangerous work. Hats off to those brave and tough enough.
9 points for this treatment. At least the fence is easier to fix than the fence.
What is going on here? There are no warning signs that danger is coming. Stay away from the danger area unless absolutely necessary. Before starting, he confidently stated that it would not hit the house. Trust him, and the result is divine.
They did it. That's the power of teamwork in action. People often underestimate the power of a tree. Oh no, Lucky ran fast. They are real professionals, all about engineering. The giant has been defeated.
Oh, the tree fell down and knocked down the fence. What a bad decision the lumberjack made.
While this is a perfect example of Mother Nature, not following any script. No safety equipment, and don't know how to use a saw. To scary fallen tree leaves to many hinges can't be called proper. Great technique. This is a lesson in forestry course on how to cut trees. Looks like a tree. He hit me. I took his chainsaw. Yes, that loud crack was like the tree telling its last story before resting forever. It seems simple, but when you look closer you realize that they have to carefully calculate every detail.
Do you see that it was a sweet and gentle revenge? A disaster happened. The top of the tree hit the car.
Every tree has its own unique sound, right? Just listen carefully. These two guys are struggling with the tree. Their coordination is so good, they took down the tree easily. The perfect line between bold and reckless, the results he got were just perfect. Crazy. I wonder how much he gets paid to do this. Oh my god.
should have cut a little deeper or stood further away from the tree instead of just looking at it. The disaster made it go halfway, only to turn back because it forgot. Oh my God. This time, he did it a little slower, and he won't be able to get back to his beautiful wife in time.
These guys are rocking some great sounding wood, the perfect combination of smoothness and power.
Logging on steep slopes is dangerous, and significant risk is important, and careful safety protocols, including the use of appropriate protective equipment, are paramount to minimizing potential risks.
When you try to imitate, but things don't go as planned.
Oh God, so dangerous. Thank God for safety equipment. You know, trees, they always throw curveballs just when you think you got them. Boom, something.
Fell down a powerful yet elegant fall like a natural bow.
Sometimes emergencies are best left to the professionals, especially when your home is at risk. Let go and run as fast as you can. That's what God whispered in his ear.
Rule number 1 is always put safety first. He regretted the chainsaw more than his own safety. Unfortunately, this is an example of lack of planning and calculation leading to unnecessary failure. Most importantly, the impressive moment a giant tree was conquered by him easily. He has experience in cutting trees. His movements look so skillful.
Oh my God, it was dangerous. Luckily, he avoided a disaster. The treetop fell straight down and he avoided it.
On the sound of the tree like the last breath of a giant, so scary. Boom, that's all I want to say. The giant tree was conquered by this guy. The tree fell down, debris flying everywhere.
Do you think the trees seem to be stalking the loggers makes you wonder if they are infected?
With just a few simple saw strokes, he was able to quickly knock down the tree. The way it sways before hitting the ground is so mesmerizing, it's like a symphony of nature. That tree just being near him makes your heart skip a beat for a second.
He dodged the bullet. Seriously, people talk about safety here.
The crack as the tree began to fall gave me goosebumps, like thunder echoing through the forest. It's your job. Precision like a chess player preparing a perfect checkmate move.